On Sunday the 23rd of September 2018, the Pleasant Point Railway held a combined celebration to mark 50 years since the closure of the Fairlie Branch line and to welcome AV699 back into service after a 5-year overhaul. During the morning, passenger trains ran the opposite direction from Pleasant Point to Keynes Crossing, with 699 disguised as AB718 at the head. 718 was originally built by the North British Locomotive Works in Glasgow in 1922 and was written off from NZR service in 1969 and eventually scrapped. 718 was the leading engine of AB798, which both hauled the large train on the Fairlie Branch back on the 2nd of March 1968 and carried a special headboard on the farewell run. It is a fitting tribute for 699 to be representing one of her bygone sisters carrying the headboard that she once did 50 years ago. Departing Pleasant Point Station, smallbox leading, a rarity for Pleasant Point passenger services. Propelling back north to the Pleasant Point Township. At 12 o'clock, AB718 was piped out at Pleasant Point by the Mackenzie Highland Pipe Band. Some shunting is undertaken before the headboard is removed and 699 was reverted back to its original number with the swapping of cab side plates and headlight numbers, plus the removal of the magnetic numbers on the headstocks. AB699 was built by A&G Price and Thames in 1922 and operated throughout the North Island. It eventually made its way to the Canterbury region and worked on main lines and branch lines until being withdrawn on the 22nd of March 1968, 20 days after the Fairlie Branch closed. It was purchased by the Pleasant Point Railway and returned to steam in 1974, having a few overhauls and a time during preservation. A few photographs inside the sheds at King's Crossing of a similar event on the railway which was held back in 1993 to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Fairlie Branch closing. The Society's replica Model T Ford Railcar RM4 and Jury Shunter TR18, both going for a spin on the turntable. 1878 built D16 took turns of hauling the passenger trains. AB 699, running to the front of the train where she will take over the passenger services for the rest of the afternoon. The ribbon is cut, handshakes are exchanged, and AB 699 is piped into Pleasant Point Station, officially bringing the locomotive back into service on the railway. AB 699 is unique for being the only wood-fired AB in the country, not requiring to burn coal.
Right away! Scatterboard! Okay.
day's event was topped up by some night running to the public with D16 double heading with AB699, with RM4 carrying additional passengers. A spirited nighttime departure from King's Crossing. An impressive display of flying sparks as the two engines chug along into the township. Arriving back at Pleasant Point after a great day welcoming the railway's main workhorse back into service.